Well, on occasion, when you are developing a design, there's a need for more definition. You can easily take any symbol. Let's pick this one here, which is for the Blackfoot daisy, and let's pick Edit the Block, and we'll pick the symbol, and we'll simply apply a fill. Now when we close the block editor and come back into the design, you can see we've added a lot more emphasis. Let's do that again and edit the block, because I think that's a bit overpowering. So let's pick a colour that's true colour, and we'll try and pick a colour that would suit that particular species. Let's come over here, something like that, and we'll OK it and then close the block editor. Now we have some definition, but it's not overpowering. You can of course change the display order. We might want to pick these examples here and just use tools and send to the back, and now the feathery species sit above it. So you can do some fine tuning like that. The other thing you can do is edit symbols like these symbols for boulders in the same way. Pick Edit the Block and simply pick all of these and change the colour to some symbol which might work for you. Imagine these are a sort of sandy colour, and we'll OK it. We pick that one there, we can give that a fill, and again move it to the back. I'll just get rid of that. Move it to the back and just grab those. I'm looking to get hold of the other lines here. I'm going to change the colour of those to say 252, and we'll bring them to the front and we'll close from there. I haven't finished all of the editing, but can you see the boulder now stands out reasonably well? I'd be inclined to edit the block, pick this one here, and I'll give it a border, and again make the border colour that same 251, and we'll close the block editor. That block boulder now should stand out quite well, and clearly these plants that we've just been manipulating sit over the top. They need a little more definition, so we'll play here and say yes, there's a border, and again give it that dark border to it and close the block editor. Now our design is taking shape nicely. We've put some punch into the design and some more colour. It's a little fiddly, but you do get an improved outcome.